1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, that's right. Okay. What's up, amazing ballroom dancers? Alexey is here and welcome back to Ballroom with Alexey. I know it's been a while, but I'm back and I'm super happy to be back. Today I would like to share with you a couple tips on how to dance ronde chasse in cha-cha-cha. So, welcome to my ronde chasse tutorial. Let's do it. Boom. Alright guys, so on today's tutorial we're going to break down ronde chasse and we're gonna dance it through Cuban cross position. Okay, so why I'm stressing on that is because there is a possibility to do it through slip chasse and possibly many other ways to do that. But today specifically, we're gonna do it through Cuban cross, and that's the most fundamental, the most basic version of doing this figure. Pretty sure you guys know how to do it, so let's still do a quick demonstration. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 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 and 1. Yay! Now let's break it down. So let's start with breaking down our foot positions first. So we start on count 1, staying on the right foot. On 2, I'm making step forward on my left. 2, creating check in my knees, Cuban break, right? Then on count 3, I'm transferring my weight back to the right and doing ronde action outward with my left foot all the way around and back. Yes? So I'm moving it into the Cuban cross position. Here's our Cuban cross position. So then I collect my right to my left, replacing weight to my right, and shifting my weight to the left, making step to the left, right? So let's repeat same thing with the right foot. So I'm here on 1, then I go 2, transferring weight on 3, moving my right foot outward around in the circle, in a circular manner, placing it behind my left foot in the Cuban cross position, collecting my left to my right, replacing my weight to my left, and making step to the right. Okay? Let's do it one more time. And forward, transfer weight back, circle around, Cuban cross, collect, replace, transfer weight to the left. And one more time. 2, 3, 4, 1. Ta-da! Now let's talk about our footwork. So making step forward on 2 in the ball flat, right? So I go ball flat, then transferring weight back, ball flat, then toe is connected to the floor the entire time when I'm doing the circle, okay? So make sure that you're not disconnecting it, okay? So keep the toe connected to the floor, get into the Cuban cross, press on your ball first to get into the Cuban cross, right? 2, 3, 4. Cuban cross position, so toes turned out. Then I go flat on my left, yes, then ball flat on my right, then ball flat on my left. So basically, it's always ball flat actions, yeah? So let's try it one more time on our right foot. So I go ball flat, toe, ball, flat, ball, flat, ball, flat. The only thing that right here at the Cuban cross, I have a delay lowering of a heel, right? So I go 2, 3, 4, and then lower, and then step, okay? So we have that delay lowering of our heel on the Cuban cross position in our ronde. Okay, let's do it one more time. Ready, and 2, 3, 4, delay, transfer, step to the left, 2, 2, 3, 4, delay, side. Ta-da! All right, so now, before we're gonna talk about our hips action and upper body action, I would like you to check your posture. I would like you to check your alignment. Make sure that you are staying straight, you're staying tall, that your center is collected. This is the most important thing, right? So make sure that you're not relaxed, but you collected, that your shoulder is down, you have a long neck. You're stretching on oppositions, your top of your head stretching up. Here we're lowering and the tailbone looks down. Good. Rib cage looks down and shoulder blades goes into the back pockets. Yes? So that's the position from where we can effectively move our hips around, okay? If we shift it forward, hips gonna move a lot harder. So check your posture and balance position over the foot. So now from here, I'm making a step forward. Actually, let me take that thing off. Probably it's going to be more noticeable. Wow. And so now I go 2. I'm settling my hip on my left. Yes. So then on count 3, I am transferring to the left very little bit, because right away I'm gonna move it around with my left foot, right? So I go right, left. So when I'm doing the circular action with my left foot in the ronde, I am keeping my hip slightly lifted, yeah? Kind of like neutral, more with the inclination to the lifted position, right? 2, 3, good. So now here, 4, I am in a neutral position, right? So make sure that hips is not to the right, sorry, this is left, not to the left and not to the right, it's neutral. Then on, and I'm starting to shift it to the right, and then I'm making it to the left, moving it to the left. All right, let's repeat same thing on the other foot. So I go 2, hip forward, transfer weight left, right away. You see how my hip is lifting, yes? Right away lift, neutral, then left, right. Uno más, señoras and señoritas. 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Yay! Awesome. So now, upper body action is super important, crucial in this in this figure, and I will explain you why. So here's our count 2. Okay, so when my hip is settled on my left, I have my right side emphasized, yes? So I create a short line on my left, long line on my right. Okay, so then when I transfer my weight back, 3, that is a super short action. It's almost not noticeable, but I take an unwinding and then I move my upper body first to create opposition action, and then from this opposition I move my body in opposite action again. All right, then I go together, side. Let me try to explain it one more time. This is super important point. It's very hard to articulate it, but I'll try to do it again. Okay, so pay attention to my upper body right now. Okay, I will do it on my right foot. So I go 2, so now my left side emphasized, right side short, yes, hip is on my right. Then I transfer my weight to the left, yes, my right side now leading, yes, and I'm moving my right side away to create opposition, and then only from, you see, I'm over exaggerating right now, but that's the direction. Over, like rotation to the right, and that action pulls my foot into the ronde. yes? So like this action. I go first body, then foot, then cross again. First body, then foot, then cross again. Very common mistake is this like square movement. There is no opposition movement in your upper body. You guys trying to do the ronde with the whole body. Yes, it's very hard to take momentum from somewhere. So we need to create opposition in our body for a more effective way of doing the ronde, okay? So let's try that again. Actually, you know what? If I will do that from the New Yorker, you may see that even better. So I'm gonna go 2 New Yorker, 3, and now look, I am first, of course I'm over exaggerating, but I am first moving my body to the left, and then I'm doing my ronde, 4. Yes, one more time. Whew, you see? And again, 2, 3, 4. Same thing on my right. 2, you see? My body goes first. Bam, bam, bam. Okay? Yay. This is super important thing. Make sure to practice it. Okay, slowly. Try to find it in your body. Try to make it yours with the repetitions. Okay? So, by the way as well, so when I do in this ronde, yes, so I go 2, so my side is contracted. So if I do ronde with my left side is contracted, my right side is extended. Then here I change the leading side. Yes, I contract my right and extend my left, making step and finishing with the hip settle, contracted left, contracted right. Always, always on oppositions. Never flat. Always lead, contract, contract, contract. Okay? Yes, settle your shoulder blades into the pockets while you're doing that. All right, so now let's try everything together. Okay? All right. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Yay! All right, guys. Hopefully it was helpful. If it was helpful, stick around, subscribe, press like, leave a comment below. I will see you very soon in my next tutorial. Thank you. Boom.